Back in live action. About to hit some trails. Little squad. Finna turn up. These clean ass bikes. Ooh wee. Hey boy. What's up, man? Yeah.
was like, it happened at Badlands, and then
If it got too hot.
might have got too hot.
Hey, chill for a second.
It's not priming. It's what it was doing at Badlands. It wasn't priming, and then after a little while, it started priming.
I like this thing, man.
Wouldn't EFI be this one?
20. Oh yeah, it would be because 10, 20, 10, 10, 10. Yeah, so that's top one. You right. That's weird, but
I think I need a new back tire.
He said, put a new fuse in. And he said if it blows again, then new fuel pump.
blown. Damn, it worked. We had to replace the EFI fuse with the spare. It blew. Now we about to be up and running. You want to give it a test, or you just want to wait until we ready to go?
The new one's got longer.
It's gonna start.
Okay. Tune in next week for Is Sean going to start it? Will it start?
A few moments later.
This is what it came down to. A raptor towing a raptor. Let's get it, boys.